Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about students' loans work in UK. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Thinking of going to university in the UK but worried about the cost? You're not alone. But here's the good news. Most students don't have to pay anything upfront. That's where student loans come in. Let's break down exactly how they work. In the UK, student finance is split into two main parts. Tuition fee loan, this covers the cost of your course, which can be up to €9,250 per year in England. It's paid directly to your university. Maintenance loan, this helps with living costs like rent, food, and travel. The amount you get depends on where you live, study, and your household income. You don't start paying anything back until after you graduate and earn above a certain amount, currently €25,000 a year under Plan 5 in England. Once you earn more than that, you'll repay 9% of the amount over the threshold. So if you earn €30,000, you only repay 9,000 of €5,000. That's 450 a year or about €37.50 a month. Interest is added to your loan based on inflation and your income. But don't worry, it doesn't grow uncontrollably. And here's a key point. If you haven't paid it all off after 40 years, your remaining balance is wiped out. Some people think of student loans as debt, but it's more like a graduate tax. It's based on what you earn, not what you owe. So don't let the big numbers scare you. For most students, loans are a manageable way to invest in your future. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!